In this video, I'm excited to present a comprehensive guide to using ComfyUI with stable diffusion models. Throughout this video, I'll walk you through every step, covering essential topics like SDXL and refiners, image input usage, image-to-image transformations, and even the impressive feat of upscaling images to glorious 8K resolution. Now, I won't lie, this video might run a tad longer, but rest assured it's going to be jam-packed with detailed information that you won't want to miss. So without further ado, let's dive right in and get this exploration underway. Now, you've probably heard the buzz around SDXL 1.0. It's received a standing ovation from the community. But here's the deal. I've been poking, prodding, and experimenting with it for a few days. In ComfyUI, you can set up your entire workflow in one go. Yeah, you heard that right. No more juggling base and refiner models separately like we used to do with SDXL. ComfyUI is all about saving us that precious config time. Let's talk basics. Now, don't worry if all this sounds a bit overwhelming. I've got your back. ComfyUI workflows are like Lego blocks. These nodes are the building blocks, and you can add them easily by right-clicking on empty space and selecting Add Node. Easy peasy, right? As we load our checkpoint models, they come bundled with weights for 3 distinct components: clip model, base model, VE model. Within the ComfyUI workflow, this arrangement is symbolized by the load checkpoint node and its trio of outputs. The output from the clip model is linked to the clip input of the clip text encode nodes. These text encoders play a pivotal role in transforming textual content into a format comprehensible to the main model. Machine learning models aren't inherently adept at grasping raw text data. To bridge this gap and enable models to interpret text, we undertake the task of converting textual information into numerical representations, known as embeddings. Within Stable Diffusion, the process of image generation is driven by a component known as a sampler. In the realm of ComfyUI, this role is embodied by the ksampler node. The ksampler node is fueled by the following inputs: model. This stems from the model output of the load checkpoint node. Positive. It involves the positive prompt that has been encoded by the clip model, serving as a conditioning output from the clip text encode node. Negative. Similar to the positive prompt, this is the negative prompt encoded by the clip model, functioning as a conditioning output from the other clip text encode node. Latent_image. This constitutes a latent image, emerging as the output from the empty latent image node. The VAE's primary role lies in the translation of an image from what we call the latent space to the pixel space. Essentially, it transforms abstract representations into tangible visual elements. Remember, the denoised image emerging from the ksampler isn't something that's directly perceivable to our eyes. It's a hidden, latent representation. Here's where the VDecode node swoops in. It takes this latent image and works its magic, producing a regular, viewable image. And that image gets its moment in the spotlight with the Save Image node. Enough talk. Let's see ComfyUI in action with some real-world examples. SDXL base. Checkpoint. If you're using the base checkpoint, follow this pro tip. For top-notch performance, stick with 1024x1024 resolution, or similar ones like 896x1152 or 1536x640. It's like picking the right canvas for your masterpiece. So my friend, if you want to use both the refiner and the base model together, you can follow a simple step. Just click on the link provided in the description to load your workflow. Alternatively, you can manually create a node set. In this tutorial, I will load the workflow from a saved picture. This way you can see that my workflow is ready. Now, I'll paste my prompt and boom, look at this beautiful image. It's simply mind-blowing. The refiner model has completely eliminated the noise. If you use the refiner on the image-to-image model, you'll get even better results. Now, let's see how you can use an image as text input. To use an image as text input, you'll need to download the unclip model. Before starting with ComfyUI, make sure to uncomment the line for downloading the unclip model. Then, follow the same process to load the image-to-text workflow on ComfyUI. After that, you can easily use it. Image-to-image refers to the task of modifying a source image to adopt the attributes of a target image or a specific image style. This process allows for various alterations and enhancements to be made to images using specialized models. The workflow for image-to-image conversion is similar, and I have quickly loaded the image onto my comfortable user interface, ComfyUI. After loading the image on my ComfyUI, I proceed to prompt the system to load the desired image. Following that, you can make adjustments to the denoising process using the sampler tool according to your preferences. Keep in mind that reducing the level of denoising will result in less significant changes to the final image. For instance, if you set the denoise value to 1, the resulting image will differ considerably from the source image. Once all the settings are adjusted, you can proceed to generate the final image. Now guys, we will upscale the image to 8K quality. For this, you will need to load the SRGAN model. After that, you can generate the prompt. I personally think that ComfyUI is better than Automatic 1111. What do you guys think about this? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for showing so much love on my last video. If you liked the video, smash the like button so that I can bring a new video for you as soon as possible. Until then, goodbye.